guys, so today I'm going to be unboxing the Rainbow High Winter Break Sunny. I just got this in store a few days ago and I finally have all 6, so this will be the 5th unboxing that I will be doing, and then I'm going to be doing Skylar next, and then I'll be all done with the winter break unboxings. Here she is. One of her curls got away from her arm. Here she is. Sorry for my ring light. So, let's get unboxing. Okay, so she is all out of the box. I'm going to show her skis first. That is so cute. I always wait till I'm filming till I see the bottom of the skates of the snowboard because there's always something cool. But here's what's on the bottom of the ski. There's some things that are in box that you wouldn't know unless you opened it. This is so cute. Both of the skis are actually different too. They're different. So, yeah. These are straight up sneaker ice skates. The rainbow laces, the yellow blades. Yeah, those are pretty cute. I love the boots on her a lot more though. I'll show those in a little bit. This coat. I really like this coat. Has the fur hood and cuffs. The little fake metal details. And then this one doesn't actually close, it's just open. So yeah, super cute. I'm not sure what outfit I'm going to put on her, but I know I'm definitely putting these pants on her. These pants are everything. So here's the pants. There's some cloud throwing up a rainbow, some stars, cherries, diamonds, Team Sparkle, some kitties. Yeah. And then the back has a happy and mad face. So yeah, these pants are extremely cute and she has to wear these pants. And then it comes with this little undershirt, which is really unique, honestly. It has that waffle print, but the sleeves are 2 different colors. This sleeve has white plus signs on it, and this sleeve is white and yellow striped. So that's a really unique top. Very cute. And then it has the rainbow stitching on the front. Here she is. I'm not going to clip the hat off because the hat actually looks really good on her how it is. I did pull apart some of her curls because they looked really weird before I pulled them apart. Yeah, her hair's really pretty. And I don't know why, but for some reason I was just never really a fan of her, and her style was kind of the anime style, but this one is just really super cute and pretty, and I love this doll, and I was not expecting to at all. Here's the hat. The hat does have little sequins on it, and it has the 2 pom-poms just like her hair from the original. And her makeup. So pretty. She does have the shimmer on her face, but I feel it's not as noticeable as the others for some reason. I'm not sure why that is. It might just be her skin tone just kind of camouflages the shine a little bit. She does have the yellow wing, the green and gold shimmer, and I love her lip color also. And her jacket, yeah, it says rainbows on it. Let's see the back. There's no hood. It looks like she's wearing a shirt underneath. There's no logo or design on it. It's just a cropped, high neck, light yellow tank top. And the coat does have that fake zipper detail on the sleeves Again, the painted nails. And then the pants has kind of like the rainbow on the sides. Nothing too fancy about these pants, but they're still really cute. And then these boots are super cute. I love these boots. The rainbow laces again. And kind of like the quilted pattern. The rainbow logo. The translucent yellow sole. Very cute. I'm going to see what this other outfit looks like on her, and I will be right back. So here's her with this top on and the kawaii pants. So here's Sunny's final outfit that I put on her. I love this outfit. I did put these pants, her boots, the fur coat, and then I actually took Winter Break Jade's little undershirt with kind of like the dripping green smiley face. I think it just kind of goes like with the funky pants and all that. I liked it better than the yellow under. It just needed some like less yellow, I guess, from the jacket. I really like this doll. This will probably be one of my favorites, and I thought it would be probably like my least favorite. So that's really strange. But I think even from like a child's standpoint, if you wanted to get this for your child, I think that this is probably one of the most versatile dolls as far as like the outfits it comes with. I feel like everything matches well with every piece. So it's not just like there's two different outfits. Like you could get a lot of outfits out of this specific one. And I feel like this outfit is probably one of the least like provocative or suggestive like outfits. I feel like sometimes dolls that are meant for children, you know, have the fishnets or the really short skirts, or you know, like the tube tops and whatever. Probably not the best for children to be, you know, playing with and, you know, modeling and whatever. So I think that this is probably the most child-friendly doll from a parent's standpoint. But even for an adult collector, I really like this one, and I don't have any complaints about her whatsoever. I love the clothes that she came with. I love her skis. I love her boots, her skates, just everything. This is definitely one of my favorites from this line. If you guys have any questions, do not hesitate to leave a comment down below. Go check out my new doll and toy Instagram. The username will be in the description box and at the end of this video. And I will see you guys later. Stay tuned for Skylar. Bye!